Hey guys, good morning. Well, I was going to do a Bitcoin video later today, but something crazy is happening. The team and I are researching this a little bit more, but short trades on Bitfinex have absolutely exploded. I have never seen short trades this high increase this fast. This is a true data point though, because it did print, and this is true data that we are getting from the Bitfinex exchange. So do whales and institutions know something that is coming out in the news or something big that we don't know about? We're going to talk about that today and kind of just give us an idea of what the other metrics are looking like. And we're going to look at market cap. We're going to get into a lot of it today because this might have been what's called a fat finger trade, where literally your fingers, a little big, and you click the wrong button. I know it sounds funny, but it's literally a technical trading term. It's called a fat finger trade. And so maybe somebody came out and did a fat finger trade to spike the shorts, but oh my gosh, like this is actually kind of crazy. So let's dive in our normal intro, and then we'll get into this. Guys, we're sitting at 110 wins, 0 losses. Our next trade wins are going to be on Avalanche, Mana, and Matic, so make sure you guys are watching out for that. But let's dive in here. I'm going to dive in more into this video than normal. We're going to take a look at even the VUG and the futures contracts as well, in case we can see something to kind of predict this. You know what we're also going to do? Let me look at the coin market cap real quick. I want to see if there's just anything affecting this. Let's do this. Let's go to the Bitcoin news. I know I don't do this a lot. On something this drastic, I kind of want to see if there's is there anything that spiked this? Okay, here we go. So I have not seen this yet. Let's just take a look at this. First, Farm Americans, Ether, Bitcoin, volatility, spread sides, Bitfinex shorts surge. Okay, do you guys see this? Bitfinex shorts surge. Do you guys know what we're actually tracking over here? If you guys open this up, this is Bitfinex. So they are seeing this short trade surge as well here. Let me see. I know I'm doing this live, guys, so I apologize if it could take me a little bit while to look through this. But okay, yeah. What is actually going on here? So, okay, yep. Market moves. Okay, the spread between the 6 months Bitcoin. Okay, volatility fell to 2-year low of 13%, perhaps indicating that the cryptocurrencies' fortunes are more strongly tied to each other. I'm not seeing anything that tells us why it happened. Force could be the Federal Reserve's meeting. Okay, perhaps the common force driving the two could be the next week's Federal Reserve meeting. Okay, so we have a Federal Reserve meeting coming up. Long-short ratio on Bitfinex, one of the top 10 crypto exchanges, the trading volume tanked nearly 70% to the lowest since July 2021 as a number of bearish bets surged. Okay, and that's pretty much all we're kind of getting on that one. We go into different ads here. Signaling recession. Okay, yeah, everyone, looking at recession. Obviously, people looking at interest rates going up as well. Okay, I'll look into this more. I don't feel like, to me, I'm not seeing a sure sign of why this happened. It probably is just a little bit of FUD of Federal Reserve meetings, interest rates possibly increasing, and maybe things that we don't know about. Okay, how's this going to affect the strategy? Let's just dive in. I'm sorry that was not really professional. I'm literally doing this live with you guys. If we're sitting in my house and we're all diving into crypto this morning, because I've got $150,000 in here, guys. What are we going to do now that we know this data? So this is what I actually go over and look at now. I'm looking at this trend dashboard. Are majority of retail traders looking at, going short? Or are they looking to go long? We can see over here that the majority of them are actually looking to go short, I would say, because majority of the retail trader indicators over here are actually bearish. So I'm looking for selling pressure to come into the market. Those shorts, although they've already happened, we have not seen it actually reflect in the price of Bitcoin yet. So a lot of these could actually be, oh man, they could be pending limits on the exchange. I'll look into this more, but we're not seeing this drastically affect the price too much. Last time we ended up seeing something this fast was over here in the downtrend, and if we look straight up here, it did move the market back down quite a bit. And then the time before that, I would say we saw a little spike right here, which if you follow this straight up, that did relate to a precursor to a drop in the market. Short trades increasing over here was actually right around this consolidation phase, and we did see a drop back down. This right here is kind of what I'm associating today's move with a little bit more because of this consolidation. I know this is a small consolidation move right here, but we're in this channel right now where a lot of people are like, are we going to head up or going to head down? I don't want to. Here's what I don't want you guys to come away with this video on. I don't want you to get too nervous about this. This may have accidentally been a wrong trade. The reason for that is because the articles are speculation of why it could have happened. And although here's the thing with articles, they can be manipulative, and a lot of times these people who are writing these articles, they're doing this to rank on Google to get ad searches, and so they can actually get paid when we scroll past some of these. I'm not saying it's bad what they're doing whatsoever. Like, don't take it that way. But sometimes people just try to get content out to just get content out. I'm trying to look at this from a technical analysis perspective and metric perspective of what we could say. Emotional index for Bitcoin right now, pushing to the anxious section here. This to me is looking more bullish than bearish. So let's keep going down here. Obviously that's bearish. Market cap strength is continuing to increase. So if there is that many shorts coming out on Bitfinex exchange, but overall in the crypto market, remember that's just one exchange. Okay, it's one of the biggest exchanges for the US, but it's just one exchange. We are continuing to see at the same time here, market cap just moved down a slight bit this morning. You can see this. I'll open this up for you guys just a little bit here. So market cap did move down a little bit. So let's take that into consideration. But overall, this has been moving up in this consolidation period, meaning wealth institutions are buying this, and they're literally dumping other coins to buy Bitcoin. Okay, looking at the well institutional smart money, let's move down here. Sorry, trades in favor. My apologies, guys. My brain's all over the place this morning. Thanks for just working with me. Trades in favor. Sitting in the neutral section. This doesn't give us too much as far as Bitcoin goes because we know neutral sections either mean we're consolidating or we haven't shot up really high or really low. Now let's move down to well and institutional smart money. We're seeing here that overall long trades are taking over in the market because we're dropping down into these bottom zones. When we see this, we drop back down here to the bottom zone here of basically it's what's called a channel trade here. You've got these lines, you're in between this channel. So we're looking at more so institutions actually buy this. Guys, I know it says short trades coming out, but the more I'm looking at this, it might have just been a mistake on Bitfinex. Overall, what I'm seeing here, this is looking like it's holding up pretty well. I feel like we would have seen a drop down in the market a little bit faster than what we're seeing if those short trades are already printed on the actual data of Bitfinex, okay? I know it can take a while for them they may be like preparing, but let's take a look at this. If it heads back down, where's the first support we're going to tag? Probably over here, right around this area of about 36? Yeah, 3,700. The next support here is going to be about 37,000. 34,000 is where we're going to probably take down to, which is just the bottom of the support line here. Okay, dollar cost average entries. We saw a great entry come out over here, basically looking for it to hold us for 5, 10 years as long as you guys want. I'm not seeing anything come out here. As far as exit points, nothing as far as a technical analysis pattern here, guys, is showing me that we're looking, that we're overextended for a drop back down, which is honestly where I think if you're going to short the market, it's better to do that with the trend exhaustion in the top red section as well as the well money flow being very high. That's where you guys should be looking at this. I know some people might not like this conclusion here, but I am not going to put that much weight on that short trade increase from what I'm seeing over here. Okay, let me say this differently. If this short trade over here happened while the market was pumping up here, that would give me more of a concern in the market if we saw the trend exhaustion high as well as well money flow high. This may have just been a fat finger trade and just an accidental trade over here. The reason why I kind of think that is because of how fast it moved up. This could have been an institution that some dude just got fired this morning where he accidentally clicked a short trade instead of a long trade. And I know that sounds stupid, but it literally is possible. With this much long trades coming into the market here, and here's another confirmation of why I kind of think this is true, is because market cap is moving up as well, which this makes sense looking at the long trades over here because that's following suit. This may have actually just been a mistake of a short trade. So that's kind of what I want to leave us with here today. But if it is true and the market's looking to go back down, guys, let's just let the buy limits hit so the price hit our buy limits as we move back down, and we'll get a better break-even entry. That's all we're going to do, guys. We're just going to stay patient, let the buy limits get hit. I would not put too much weight on this. I wanted to come out with a video and kind of just address it immediately because I see it's popping up online now, but I want to kind of be just a calming voice to this to say, don't let this affect you greatly emotionally. The rest of the metrics I see over here, even from an on-chain metric here, no one can fake this, it is still increasing. I think if the big boys thought that the market was going to crash like we saw over here, we would actually see would we not see the market cap crash as well on Bitcoin if they thought the market was going to do a bigger move like this? This is why I'm going to end this video right here, because I don't want to just keep dragging this out. This is why I think this is actually more of a fat finger trade, and although it's true data, let's see how this plays out tomorrow. Here's another thing. Tomorrow, if you guys come out here and this thing drops straight back down, you know the dude got fired and, you know, we're just back to normal. So, or lady, who knows who it was. So, or maybe it was a bot that they had and the bot malfunctioned and it shot up here. So that's kind of my conclusion there. Guys, to access all these metrics, I think, you know, in times like this, having these metrics are going to be very helpful. Let me just talk about this really quick, guys. The membership, you guys get access to all of the metrics over here, as well as the Telegram channel, where if I see something, guys, I'll call it out in Telegram. Like literally, my team is on this. I'll give credit. Jake is actually the one that ended up telling me about this. I want to protect this if we have our, okay, I didn't know if I have our private chat open, but Jake was the one that messaged me about this. Like, hey dude, check this out. So I want to do a video. So my whole team, like, we're looking at this. So I will update you guys in Telegram if we see something crazy about this or something that happened. But right now, best thing to do, guys, as far as us, is to snag a membership, get the indicators, look at the metrics, and follow me in Telegram, and we'll keep you guys, I want to say safe. It is the best way to say that, because our buy limits are going to help you guys in a market crash, even if it happens, and then I'll keep you guys updated on what I see. So, guys, have an amazing Friday. Have an amazing weekend. I was going to do a Bitcoin video later, but I don't know what I'm going to do later. Maybe I'll come out with another type of fun video later today, or maybe we'll call it a day. But, guys, just wanted to give you all that so you have everything for today. Entries for Bitcoin. I'm so sorry, guys. I thought I was going to end the video. I apologize about that. Entries here, guys. Here's what you're looking at. Honestly, if you guys think it's going to crash, it might not be a bad time to actually get money in, because here's the thing. If that brings out short trades into the market and people see that and they short and this market actually goes back up, you're going to have a ton of short traders getting squeezed, and that actually may be the precursor for the huge move up we've been looking for all the altcoins in the descending triangle pattern, guys. All of the altcoins, most of them, are in this descending triangle pattern, looking for this breakout here. That might have been a weird way of kind of squeezing some short trades to end up pumping the market. So that's another reason why I'm not making full conclusions on it. That could actually be very bullish, but here's how you guys trade with us. Take the amount of money that you guys want to trade with us. Say it's $1,000, split it into 4 equal portions. You know, 250 each at each of the buy limits. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit here in case we skyrocket up. You guys can follow that. Follow me in the Telegram channel. I'll call exits. Indicators over here. I'm so sorry, guys. It's such a long video. I'm sure half you guys bailed already. Indicators real quick, guys. These are on sale. 82% off. I just got to talk about this. What keeps our business running and keeps allowing me to do what I do. 82% off. Normally, we have the indicators for the coupon code here. It's Save Money is the coupon code you guys can use. You'll get 40% off at checkout. Get the bundle pack. It literally is 82% off, so that's going to be the best deal that you guys can snag today. You'll get them for life. It's not a monthly subscription. You guys get them for life, and you get the source code as well, so nobody can take them away from you. And you guys can follow me on the analysis here and watch the video I just released on this channel for Cardano and Solana. I literally showed you guys 2 scalping trades you can take this morning that are very good. So make sure you guys watch those. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Have an amazing, amazing Friday and a weekend. And let's see what happens with this markets. Don't freak out. Let's just stay calm, and I'll keep you guys updated. All right, we'll see you guys. Bye-bye.